Eco-Whims. Welcome to my DIY channel. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, which will give you the notification when I upload my new videos. Let's get started. Here is the pillow that I'm using for today's DIY. This is the old gray pillow that I have had, and I'm not filling the pattern that was on the front, so I'm showing both sides, the front and also the back, which is a solid silk gray. And I would like to decorate the front to match my cover, and this is the material that I'll be using, the ribbon. So I'll be lacing it across with a glue gun and glue sticks temporarily, just to see how it holds up and how it would look. So I'm just taking it around the pillow to see which side looks better as far as behind the theme look. So this is the ribbon. I got it from Dollar Tree. You will have to ask them about this particular ribbon. I saw it and I was indecisive about getting it, and I grabbed 2 rows. Here are the items you're going to need to help you create it. Is a scissor, and you're going to need hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, and you're going to need a pack of glue sticks. Believe me, trust me, you're going to need them. So make sure you grab some and have plenty on hand. Now what I'm going to do before I start anything is to cut the tags off so you don't see them, and kind of make it a little neater. So you're going to watch me cut the 2 tags off, and then once I finish with that, then we can move on to the next step. Now that I have finished cutting off the tags, now I'm taking pre-cut measures of the ribbon that I've already cut, and I'm measuring across how I want it to fit. And I'm trying to see how I want to start it off. And I'm going to take my glue gun once I figure out how much of the ribbon I need, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the glue and apply it to the area I want it to secure first, so it can have a tight secure. And once I get that done, then I can continue the same repeated method. Just continue to measure, and once you get the ribbon laid down with some of the glue gun glue applied underneath, then you can continue to repeat the step as followed. And when you get to the end, then you can go ahead and cut the ribbon and start a new row. And you're going to repeat this until it sticks. And you want to really make sure that you don't burn your hands, because I got some glue on my hand and I was like, oh my god. And it dried pretty fast, so it really did not burn like I thought it would. But just from me to you, I'm not an expert and I don't claim to be. I'm trying this, and I do urge you to be very, very careful when doing this. If you are underage and you're trying this, please have an adult with you. Just a disclaimer that you have someone here to monitor the heat of the glue stick that's coming out of the glue gun, because it could get extremely hot. Mine did, and I just want to make sure that I emphasize that a lot. So here what you see is that I started the second row and I glued it down, and I did it seam to seam so it can have like a pattern and a design as I keep applying the glue to each strip to create a row or a ripple effect. And this is what you see right here. So right now you see 3 strips that are already been applied, and there's going to be a couple of loose spots. You can always go in there along the seam with the glue gun and secure that down. You want to do that as much as possible. It's very shiny, and this is what I've gotten so far, and I'm super happy because I only have 1 row left to do, which is at the very end. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I actually glued the edge down as much as possible, so when I trim the sides, you don't have that much to worry about. But if you're interested in purchasing this, please pause this video, take down the information, because this is what the roll looks like. This is the SKU number. It's 9 feet, and it's really nice. And this is what you see once I got to the very end. I started to go underneath and go through the little crooks and crevices and the cracks, things that didn't seem to really hold together. I glued it down. So now we're at the edge, and this is what your edge should look like once you cut it and tried to make it uniform so it looked a little neater. So I'm really happy with the results. I had a vision, I put it into play, and I'm happy with the pillow, and voila, this is what I got. Now, could I went on Amazon and purchase this pillow for like $50 to $60, $70? Sure, but I decided to save the money and make my pillow from a Dollar Tree ribbon. Yes, I did use a whole ribbon roll and a half of the second, and this is what you see. This is the final result. I'm totally happy because it goes with my bedroom comfort that I did order online from Amazon, and I wanted a pillow that was gonna pop, shimmer, and have like some glitter effect with the silver, and the girl is all that now. So I'm going to do another DIY later on this week that's going to show me transform my curtains to look similar to match my pillow and my comforter. I'm Miko Wills. Thank you for taking the time to watch this DIY video. I know I've been super behind, but I do enjoy putting something out there that I'm passionate about. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Any suggestions, I'm open to it. You're more than welcome. And let me know what you think. You know, I'm happy with it. And if you try this and you do better than me, tag my name, my YouTube channel. Let me know if I inspired you. Let me see what you came up with. You know, I love great and new ideas, and I love supporting others. I'm Miko Williams. Thank you for joining my channel. Have a great day.